Hi, welcome to Productronica 2021. Here at the APP booth, I'm glad to welcome Michael Hanke, Chief Sales Officer at Rehm. Rehm, one of the exhibitors here at the show. You're showing a tool or offering a tool for process control, a new solution. Just tell us something about this, please.
Thank you very much for today. So Rehm, a technology leader, especially also in processes that it need also for secureness, which you have nowadays also in camera systems, sensors, autonomic drive, e-drive. All these areas need also safe processes. The safe processes we produce and can guarantee it also with our reflow technology, with the vacuum, with the added vacuum, and brand new, very unique, and it's the first time that we offer our new software solution, Productronica. Productronica is a software solution which we offered here also to support our customers to ensure their process. How we do this? Productronica is an instrument that measures also the profile and controls always the temperature in the system. Important is also how easy it is to identify. Identify on the easiest way is the graphical way. The graphical way where you see immediately that you are in the line. The functionality is like a line control system, yeah, as you know also from your car. And when you are on the right line, when you are in the middle of the lane, then you are correct, so everything is green. The same with the process. So you can easily identify on each board. You will get also an envelope curve where you see that everything is fine. So it's a self-control system with the support of this graphical device, Productronica in combination with our strong partner SolarStar, which delivered the information from the profiler.
Okay. So one challenge is always the integration to the production line. How do you solve this challenge?
Yeah, this is a good question, and also as easy we did also this graphical solution, easy is also the integration. We as a manufacturer longer than 30 years in this market as a technology leader have also our focus on the software integration. Software integration where we have our internal expert, our software engineers, and brand new is also since a few years our new intelligent interfaces called Hermes. Hermes is now also international well known because it's an intelligent interface bidirectionally in a horizontal way, so it combines all the components in the line with the functionality of the Hermes. So each board, starting from the beginning of the line, got all and collect all information on the Hermes protocol, and at the end of the line you have everything in this protocol, everything. If you have the printer, if you have also the pick and placer, and also for sure the referral protocol is also integrated in the Hermes. So how we can get also this information to the MES system? We use CFX. CFX is also a standard, American standard from the IPC, where we followed completely, and so we can also integrate a closed loop integration of each interfaces. So an open system, easy to integrate.
Okay, so the closed loop becomes reality with your solution?
Becomes reality. It is a reality, and satisfied also our partners, our global partners, because also the complete integration of traceability of the information of the complete product line is guaranteed. And you control it like also with the Productronica. You have a graphical tool also to ensure your complete production. Main focus for sure, reflow technology, where we offered a simple, useful, informative solution.
Okay, great. That's very interesting. Thank you very much. I wish you a very successful show. Thank you.
Thank you very much.